How to manage data saver mode on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage data saver mode on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in top corner and go down until you find settings and then click media, and here you will find here on top the data saver mode. If you want to turn it on, just click on it one click, and you can turn it off again just one by one click, and it's easy of course, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.